have officers come to my house.
What's going on?
My husband's drunk and he's being aggressive and he's throwing stuff.
How many people are inside of the house?
Well, right now I'm in the room with my children and the older children are here, and my mom and my brother and my sister.
Okay, so how many adults total are inside?
3.
3. And 3 children?
Four adults and it's 5 children.
You white, black, Hispanic, or Native?
He's Hispanic.
How old is he?
33.
33.
He's wearing basketball shorts.
What color shirt?
He's coming back in. Burgundy tank top.
He's back inside?
Yeah, he's walking back outside.
Is he known to carry any weapons?
Well, he had a gun right now, but I don't know if it's, I think it's a police voice gun. He's like,
does he have it on him?
Yeah, but I think it's a police gun. But now he's saying that, watch how you're gonna end up, or a widow.
For the 420, he just grabbed the keys to the truck. He's 390. He's there's four adults and 5 children inside the residence.
Wherever that unit is coming up, give it a second because I thought I saw lights go on, but I don't see anybody.
He's back inside.
Copy. All right.
Put the gun down. Put the gun down, police. Put the gun down.
998.
Show us your hands.
Show us your hands. Guns are pointing westbound.
Right.
Keep your hands up. Don't move up from there.
He's behind Tacoma. Hold on a minute. Put the gun down. Put the gun down, police. Hey.